In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix header in Microsoft Word. If your header keeps changing on every page when you edit it, the most common cause is that your document contains multiple sections and those sections are linked together. When sections are linked, Word assumes you want the same header across them, so any change you make in one place ripples through the linked sections. The good news is you can stop that behavior with a quick toggle. Start by moving your mouse to the top of any page where you notice the issue and double-click inside the header area. This opens the header for editing and brings up the header and footer tab on the ribbon. You'll know you're in the right place when the rest of the page looks slightly dimmed and you see specialized header tools across the top. Next, go to the header and footer tab on the ribbon and find the button labeled Link to Previous. This control is the key. When it's turned on, it connects the current section's header to the section before it. That's why edits seem to echo from page to page. Click Link to Previous to turn it off. You're not deleting anything. You're simply telling Word that this section's header should be independent. You'll often notice that the button is no longer highlighted, and in many cases, the small Same as Previous label near the header disappears. Both are signs the link is broken. With Link to Previous turned off, any changes you make in this header will stay in this section only and won't overwrite headers in earlier sections. This immediately fixes the "it keeps changing everywhere" problem while giving you precise control over where your edits apply. A quick note on why this happens. Many Word files contain multiple sections without you realizing it. Section breaks can be introduced by templates, cover pages, different page orientations, or special layout choices. Linking is helpful when you want consistent headers across those sections, but it can be confusing if you're trying to customize just one part of the document. Unlinking in the section you're editing restores that control. If you don't see the Link to Previous button, you're likely working in a single section document, and this particular issue won't apply. Otherwise, once the link is off, simply continue editing your header as needed, confident it won't cascade to other sections, and that's all there is to it.